Meaning of George Gilbert Scott.
George Gilbert Scott.
George Gilbert Scott.
George Gilbert Scott.
George Gilbert Scott. George Gilbert Scott was a prominent English architect who lived in the 19th century. He is best known for his work in the Gothic Revival style, which helped to popularize that style and make it one of the dominant architectural styles of the era. Some of his most famous works include the Midland Grand Hotel at St. Pancras Station, the Albert Memorial in Kensington Gardens, and the Foreign and Commonwealth Office Building in Whitehall. Scott's influence on British architecture was enormous, and he is widely considered to be one of the most important figures in the country's architectural history.